My goal is to create a roofing system which can use images to detect if there is hail damage or components, what components are on the roof. But I think the first initial version would have just checking if there's hail damages on shingles. Um, with this, I'm going to be using Yolo, Roboflow. Roboflow is a website where people put data and they have already categorized the data as to indicate where the hail damages are happening. We're going to be using roboflow.com. Roboflow is a website that has pre-generated vision models, and that means that it's got a bunch of pictures, and within those pictures, as you can see, if I click on that, then it's a picture, and then it has annotation of where they find the damage. XY coordinates with height and width. So you can see. So for example here, you can see it's showing us exactly where it's finding damage. So my goal is going to be to use this publicly accessible data set and make sure that I can be able to use tools like this to automated process of how reports are generated. That is actually pretty good. Look at that. Like from the naked eye, you could tell a few of the spots like that, but with the computer, it can actually detect much more. Okay, so another program that I am using is going to be Cursor. Cursor is just going to be my AI agent where I can put a file system. Currently, I have the test data sets in here where I have the images, and each images has a label. The label will indicate what XY coordinates those images have hail damage in, such as this. All right. Currently, I'm using YOLO test detect and train. So as you can see, it's training on all the images that we uploaded. With that being said, this is one of the main components of building a report that can be auto-generated from pictures. After that, the next step will be to integrate some type of AI into it, which has knowledge of when was the last time a hailstorm took place, when was the last date wind damage happened in that area, in that location, date wise specifically. So, yeah, integrating different tools to make sure that a comprehensive inspection report is built is my goal.